Good afternoon, I'm Adrian Crawford. It's Williams Crawford, Passion for Porsche, and it's Walkabout Wednesday on the lead up to Christmas. So it already feels a little bit like a relaxed spirit in here and a bit of excitement. We got some really good plans for the new year, which we'll roll out and we'll show you as they're going along. Actually really excited and looking forward to the coming year. One of the things is what you see in here will change immensely, and that's just one of the developments that we've got planned, so watch this space. But whilst I'm in here, today I'm going to walk through the whole building and see if we can catch people doing a good job somewhere. Come with me. Right, well, let's see what's behind the door. This is an area of the business we don't take too many people. It's where metal fabrication, welding, accident repairs, you know, serious bodywork goes on. And today, Paul Adams, who loves bashing, grinding, welding and rubbing, has got this 911 SC. So some basic things I can see that are going on. A new front wing, because they often rust around the headlamps, and after a while they're no point repairing really, are they, Paul? It looks like we've got some damage in the door or corrosion work that we've done, and then you can see on the door panel there where the door latches, that would be the B post, and behind there is a kidney bowl, which is a structural part. You've got to cut through the B post to get to it, weld it, and it's intrinsic for the strength of the car, but it's largely hidden from view. People miss it, and it will probably be damage to the sill and maybe a bit of inner sill as well. Yeah, that's a normal thing. So Paul's doing the work on that and bringing that back to structural integrity, and eventually it'll go out for paint and be a lovely little car again. Well done, Paul. Cheers. Right, so normally Josh would be looking after this. This is Richard's rally car. I don't know where Josh has gone, but he's just doing the final little bits of work on it for the weekend. Richard and I are both entered in the same event, the Southdown Stages in Goodwood, along with Rob Kavanagh. So we're teammates. And whilst I don't wish anything bad on my teammates, other than they come behind me. So up on the ramp there, GT3 RS, that's to be delivered. There's the Josh. And, oh, looks like we got a set of various sets of wheels and tyres to be going. Now this is another interesting little car. It's a 2.7 Carrera, which makes it an MFI car, same mechanicals as a 2.7 RS, but with impact bumpers. Really nice car that I know Graham has been installing electric air conditioning in, and he does just a beautiful, I promise you, he does a beautiful job. So that will bring this car up for being more suitable for modern times, and that electric aircon will really work well. Well, even though it's December, we've had quite a lot of movement in the showroom, and I know I've shown you some of the cars before. There's always a mix in here of just come in and just being sold. So the more we check, the quicker that happens, the happier we are really. And being December, it tends to be slower. However, we've actually had a fairly good start to it. If you see anything you fancy, I'll be delighted to have a chat to you. And again, one of the areas that's going to get changed next year is this showroom. So we're really excited about this. So our plan is in the first quarter. Work will be completed and we'll have something new to show you in 2025. Always at risk of finding people doing all sorts of unusual stuff in here, so let's have a look. I can see Luke on a 3.2 Carrera, looks like regular servicing to me. 944 on the ramp, don't see many of them. Looks like a 991T here. Judging by the oil barrel, that's regular servicing with Jack. Don't tip the oil barrel over on video, Jack. A GTS like that, they're good. And Ian, meanwhile, is been working on this 718T, which is now sold. So looks like we're putting a private plate on. That's going to make someone very, very happy. It's one of our little loan cars that someone's reversed into, damaged and then driven off, which didn't very good karma at all. Looks like regular maintenance, probably maintenance. And a very nice 997. Now I do with Sean. Sean does the MOTs and the servicing. He likes the moderns, and that looks like a really, really clean car, doesn't it? And it's one we just sold. I can see it now. So that's good. Sean will be doing the last check before it goes out to the new owner. The funny thing is, cars that come in for sale, the first thing we do is check them before they get offered for sale. Then we inspect them again and do work on them, and then we inspect them again before they go. Hopefully none of that is a surprise to you, but it is a surprise to other dealers who don't operate the same system. Oh, GTS. Looks like Ian's all cleaned that now, when that came in. That's looking magnificent. So there we are. That's a quick little walk around. So as I don't miss anything, I'm going to nip outside and brave the weather. Oh, we just sold this little box, absolutely glorious. And another thing that's just turned up is a Yaris GR that belonged to a friend of mine. He's brought it in. I said I'll sell it for him. We've sold a few of those. It's an original car, low mileage, with a track pack, or circuit pack do they call it? Anyhow, the last place we'll go is in the lobby, and see what's going on in there. Meanwhile, I have spied something, and I've spied Andy. Oh. It looks like he's doing some training with Beth and Harry.
We are monitoring prices.
Ah, okay, all right.
So we monitor all our prices on a weekly basis, and that's what we do.
Excellent, thank you. Well, that's another part of our sales process. We're checking them, monitoring prices. So this one is looking gorgeous in here, and the lobby is also an area that you'll see some changes. I've got Leanne on the phone at the moment, so anyhow, there we are. That's it from me. I'm Adrian Crawford, Williams Crawford Passion for Porsche, and I hope you're enjoying the lead up to Christmas. And if you think we can help you with putting something under the tree, just get in touch.